Hi folks, this is a quick little demo just to show you a couple of little features of the Teams meetings that you might not be aware of. Now I'm currently looking at the participants view, having joined a meeting that actually happened yesterday. Over here in the ... menu, this is the option, the quick option to allow attendees to unmute. So if you get to a point in the meeting where you don't mind students coming off mute, or if you want to, that's how you can control that. Now you can also download an attendance list. Now this is really only useful if you do this immediately before you leave the meeting at the very end. It will give you an Excel spreadsheet showing the students joining and the students leaving the meeting. If you come in and try and do this, say the day afterwards, all you'll see is you attending the new version of the meeting that you've just launched. So the big problem is that you can't download an attendance list for a meeting that happened in the past, but you can find out who attended. So here we are in the team general channel for this particular class. And here we can see a future meeting that hasn't taken place yet. And here we can see the meeting that I did yesterday. Now over here at the top, you'll notice I have all of the usual little tabs here at the top that you might have seen already. But I also have a little tab called Insights. Now you can add these tabs just by pressing the little plus button and then selecting Insights down here as an app to add. When you click on the Insights tab, it gives you details of the student activity for your particular team. And if you click anywhere in this main section, it'll give you a timeline of access by the students, highlighting very clearly any students that haven't accessed the meeting that you had in that particular day. You can click on a particular day to zoom in and check exactly how long the students were on the Teams meeting call for. So by having Insights enabled on your team, you can very quickly pull out who it is that you need to contact, maybe through Satchel 1, or if it persists, contact the SSM, let them know, and contact the parents. So I hope that's a useful and quick answer to an obvious question about Teams meetings.